At Southland Sod, we're introducing our all-new Lite sod, where your lawn is installed with ease and efficiency while maintaining the same marathon quality you're used to. What's really exciting about Lite sod is that it allows us to use rapid rolls when installing and transporting. Currently, we are experimenting with 2 rolls per pallet. Each roll is 100 feet long and 2 feet wide, covering 200 square feet. You will notice that during installation, Lite sod provides a clean and smooth process, resulting in no muddy messes, making the cleanup process easier. Not only does Lite sod weigh less than field-grown sod, but it also has 60% more sod per piece over our traditional 5-foot piece. This means you save time, have happier workers, and less muddy mess. Call Southland Sod now to begin your lawn transformation today.